Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to connect mobile WhatsApp with your system and how to use your mobile WhatsApp in your system. So, come to the PC first and click on the Google Chrome, open the Google Chrome and write the WhatsApp app web and click on it, and then click on the first link, WhatsApp app web. The WhatsApp will open here. You can see here there are 3 steps to connect your mobile WhatsApp with your system. Scan the QR code, tap the link to open the WhatsApp, and then scan the QR codes again. Now I will practically do these steps. Come to the mobile and open the WhatsApp app here. Click on WhatsApp icon and then click on the 3 dots and then click on the link device and then click on the link a device and use mobile data. Click on it and you can see here scan the QR codes from your system. It will take some time. So come to the PC again. Your WhatsApp will open here. You can see this is your WhatsApp and you can use easily from your system. If you want to message to your friend, write your friend name in the search box and click on the your friend profile and write the message here. You can see here and then click on the enter button. You can see the 2 message. I deliver 2 message to my friend. If you want to log out, click on the 3 dots and then click on the log out and then click on the log out button. Your WhatsApp will be log out. You can see here. If you want to log in again, then scan this QR code again. So if you have any question about the how to connect your mobile WhatsApp with your system and or how to open your WhatsApp in your system, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.